Hi, I'm Anissa Brownies, and let's talk about citronella today. Citronella oil. Citronella is widely known, especially those citronella candles that you use outdoors to ward off mosquitoes. But I must tell you, the citronella oil, it's a strong oil, but it's not as harsh as those candles because they're synthetic, right? But if you like this refreshing aroma, you will love this oil, by the way. And citronella comes from a grass. So it's a grass which gets steam distilled and then ends up in this beautiful little bottle. And we can use it, of course, as our own insect repellent. I would apply it with some fractionated coconut oil, especially on the bodies, on the arms, or use it in a diffuser if you're sitting outside, or maybe if you like to sleep by an open window and you put a diffuser close to the window so that mosquitoes cannot come in if you don't have any screens. And it's also very cleansing, as it often is with those citrusy smelling oils, right? So you can make your own cleaning spray with it. And it smells, it smells clean. So, and did you know that if something smells clean, you think it's cleaner? So put citronella into a little bit, a glass bottle ideally, with some water, some vinegar, and just spray surfaces with it. So it's very cleansing. I think it's also pretty helpful sometimes to scrub grease off some surfaces like your kitchen countertops or your stove, for example. And you can also use it in your shampoo. So it's a great cleanser, great cleaning addition to your shampoos. It gives you this energy boost because it's so refreshing. And I know a few people who like to use it in their DIY cosmetics. I personally like my skincare to smell a little bit more relaxing than just, this uplifting and cleansing. But by all means, play around with it. You'll find tons of recipes online. And especially, oils that are very cleansing, very protecting, they're also great for protecting you from outwards energies. So this is true for Terra Shield. This is true for On Guard, the blend On Guard. This is true for Arbor Vitae. And citronella is, again, one of those oils that helps you stay clean of other people's energies and, to help you set boundaries more strongly. And I would just, play around with it, add it to your body lotion, make, an aura spray for yourself, whatever feels comfortable to you. Here's a recipe on the slide for a bug spray, which has citronella, Terra Shield, and some additional lemongrass. Cedarwood would be another great addition. And yeah, I'm excited to hear how you guys use citronella and what you think of it. Don't you find it smells much more gentle and lovely than those candles? I certainly do. And I'm excited to hear your experiences in the comments. Let me know. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.